This night ain't for the faint of heart, for the faint of heart, for the faint of heart. This night ain't for the faint of heart, 'cause the faint of heart gon' fall apart. This night ain't for the holy man with the holy plan for the promised land. This night we got the evil hand, and the evil hand gon' raise the dead. Ain't no sleep when the wicked play. All we do is get laid. Ooh, ain't no love when the wicked run. All we do is get laid.
Hello everybody, and you're riding with Loco MTB Rider, and today we are riding on Annapurna circuit, which have to be the most popular trekking destination in Nepal. So this is day 1. Took a bus from Gangapur bus park from Kathmandu, and we are starting our ride from Besisar, and our first stop will be Ngadikola for today, and today we'll be riding around 12 kilometers. My right hand is not doing well due to the crash I had in Sako 2 weeks ago. The vibration from the handlebar and the shifting the gear were like really painful, but eventually got used to it. So here we are at Nadi Bazar Lamzun, today's first stop, and we rode like 1 hour. And आज चाहिँ हामीसँग विकास bro and Om bro, and they are freaking fast man. धेरै पछि वेट राखेर चलाएको लास्टै गाह्रो हुने रहेछ ब्याङ्क नि. So this is Choikhatte. So this is dal bhat for dinner, and good morning everyone, and this is day 2. Day 1 was a bit weird one because my bike was not dialed in for the weight I was carrying, due to which the bike was like sagging a bit too much, and I was really not used to riding carrying with big backpacks, and yeah, it was painful. And so this is day 2, riding from Ngadikola, and we are heading to Tal via Bahundara, which gonna be like around 30 kilometers of ridings, some long steep climbs.
मैले बाटो मिस गर्दा नि डर लाग्छ क्या.
I actually almost went on a solo trek because I was not in condition to ride my bike, but I found out Ombro was also going to Annapurna circuit solo, so we joined together, and just didn't want to miss the opportunity. Annapurna circuit on the way to Manali, Rocky. Actually, this was my first ride with the Ombro, and which turned out to be like a good experience, and got to learn new things from him. And Ombro turns out to be like a legit professional trekking and mountain bike guide, and if you really need a professional guide to trek, and then please hit him. The Facebook profile of Ombro is linked under the description box. I will not be including climbs in this video. Usually climbs are not interesting and boring, and it's slow and it's painful, so hope you enjoy the ride.
Oh, so rocky.
One mistake and you're gone, man. Rock gardens. I guess we have to park the bike again. Rock gardens. यत्रो लामो सिट राखेर त्यस्तो चलाउनु पर्ने भइसक्यो. Oh my god, rock garden on rock garden. Speed गर्नु पर्छ अर्किने. ल झरना जगत लोचल भाइसंगे माइ सिटसन पक्लन पर्ला क्या Oh, sit down apart no parega. We're getting gnarly as fuck. Thanks. Oh, loose stuff. We got some six packs again. Whoa, watch out. Nice. Go flat. माथि हो first suspension bridge. Oh yeah. You are here, Sonam. So this is the downhill to Tal. Wild Ukalo Korea. The town was downhill.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? उकालो पो रहेछ ओह्रालो भनेको त Oh my god. ताल भन्ने ठाउँ. If you guys can see. दामी. Peace land भन्ने गेस्ट हाउसमा बस्नको. Oh my. The ground levelबाट चढ्न. Oh yeah. Day 1 ends today. Bloody hell. Oh my god. Bro त आइसक्यो. ओम ब्रो. राक्षसै रहेछ यार ओम ब्रो. Coffee in the making. Okay, so pani ताप्दैछ. And हामीसँग dalgona in the making. चाहिँ पाक्यो. You